Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to look at how to use Google Meet. Maybe you need to have a meeting, you're supposed to discuss about something in a particular group of people. So this is what we do. When you click on your Google Chrome, yes, so we shall type in Google Meet, googlemeet.com. When we type it in, this is what we get. So when we click on Google Meet Online, this is the interface we have. When we get this interface, the first thing we do is click on Meet, on New Meeting. So when you click on it, you can either create a meeting for later, or you start an instant meeting, or you can schedule a Google Calendar. Then when you're done, you right ahead go and click here. So here you can either enter the code or the link that you were provided with. Then when you're done, you can then now adjust your microphone, adjust the camera, and then make those slight changes here and there. Then you can go ahead and join the meeting. When you join the meeting, you're good to go. Yes, so that is it about Google Meetings. Then there are also Google Calls. Here you can go ahead and search in your contacts or dial the ones that you have saved in Google. Then you continue, and you can be able to still conduct calls right over here. Yes, thank you so much friends for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Kindly follow, subscribe, and like my videos for more information. Thank you so much.